Spring is right around the corner. Here's a few ways you can spring clean your finances in preparation to purchase your next home.
Review your credit reports. The three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, allow you to get a free detailed credit report every 12 months. Look for factors impacting your score or any inaccurate information.
If you find inaccurate information on your report, find the supporting documentation and report it to the credit bureau to ensure your credit score is correct and at its best.
Develop a plan to tackle any debts or collections. Work strategically to pay off high interest dues and improve your debt-to-income ratio.
Determine your credit card usage and learn how to be a responsible user. Keeping your utilization low, making payments on time, and more can improve your creditworthiness over time.
Contact us to learn more about how credit scores affect your loan qualification.